Let's take a look at the entire process of sewing some type of a flat garment like a left chest or a jacket back. Now that the hoop has been adjusted for the thickness of the material that we're about to sew, I'm going to set the hoop in here. We're going to make sure we give our hoop the 1/8 inch recess. Now we'll take it to the machine. Now let's take our hooped garment and place it on the machine. Always check to make sure we're not going to sew the front and the back of the garment together. We're going to go to the number 1 needle. And we're going to make sure that the number 1 needle is centered in the hoop. In this case, it clearly is not. So we're going to take needle number 11, and we're going to make sure it's over the left center screw, which it is not. So we'll make our adjustment. And now that that's adjusted, we're centered on that hoop. Now we're ready to put the design in the machine. So we're going to take our USB key, put it in the machine, input the design from the USB key, scroll through to find the proper design, hit set to pick it, it'll show it to us, copy it to the memory of the machine, escape out of that menu, and now we'll assign the colors. We'll go into the setting, we'll go down to the needle setting, press set. The first color in this design is white, which is needle 7. The second color in this design is green, which is needle 8. The third color is like a royal blue, needle 4. The next color is like a yellow color, needle 2. The 5th color is black, needle 5. Then it goes to white again, number 7. And the 7th color in the design is black again, which is needle 5. To ensure that we've picked the colors properly, we will simulate that. And that looks like a blue and gold macaw, which is exactly what this design is. So now we know the colors are set properly. So we escape out of the simulation, but we have to make sure we lock them in, so we press the OK button. Then we escape out of the menu. We need to make sure that we trace now that we've centered the hoop. So we go to Ready, we go to the Exclude Trace, hit Set, and hit Frame. As I hit Frame, remember we want to watch the sewing field, not the display. And I'm watching the laser, and that lines up beautifully. It stays within the hoop. I hit escape to come out of the menu. Based on the garment that I'm sewing, I know I can sew this at about 840 stitches per minute, so I set my speed, and then press start to start sewing. Now that the design is finished sewing, we take the garment off the machine, unhoop the garment. We would trim any jump stitches that would be on the front, trim our backing out, and there, out of there, and there is our finished design.